going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Today we're gonna do up Texas trash dip. This will be perfect for the holidays. Also, keep the recipe in mind for when we get to back to that summertime, and you can use it then for those family get-togethers. Stick around, we're gonna get right to it. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get started. First thing first, we got to go ahead and brown off that ground meat. Got the pan set up to about medium high. That's 2 pounds of ground meat there. We're going to go ahead and break that up. And we're going to start the browning off process. Not going to have y'all sit through the whole browning off. No point. Y'all know how brown off ground meat. Once it browns, you're done. So, go ahead, keep mashing it up and stirring it around till all of it is brown. Now that the ground meat is browned off, we're going to go ahead and throw in just a little bit of our taco seasoning. Go ahead and open that up. Pour in about a half of the bag. There we go. Mix that all up. Oh yeah, it's smelling real good. Turn off your burner. And now we're going to let this cool down for a little while before we move on to the next step, because that requires some cream cheese and some sour cream, and we don't want to make that go bad. Alright, now that the meat has been cooled, we're going to go ahead and move on to the wet ingredients and mix that all up before incorporating it into the meat. First off, we're going to go ahead and start off with the block of cream cheese. It has been softened, so hopefully it mixes together and breaks apart easily. Part of me says it's going to be doubtful, but hey, it is going to be tried for. Hey, we're breaking apart pretty easily right now. Now we're going to go ahead and do an entire 1.5 pounds of sour cream. Next, we've drained a can of Rotel with green chilies. Two cans of refried beans. This is the 16 ounce. One. And 2. Now, start mixing this all together. Alright, now we go ahead and start layering into the pan. And now we start layering the dip. go ahead, put in our taco meat. Put a nice layer of that, all 2 pounds. Now, layer on your wet ingredients with the beans and the cream cheese and rotel and taco seasoning. Now, the recipe calls for cheddar cheese, but I say amp up that heat. Let's go ahead and put on some habanero pepper jack cheese. If I can get the bag open. That's not enough cheese. Now we're gonna put on some taco cheese. Now, crank up that smoker to 350 degrees and let it ride for an hour. We got 1 pound of cheese on this now. All right, we're up to 350 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and put it on the smoker now. Let that cheese get all melty and happy, and we'll be back. All right, and we are done. It's been an hour. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, nice beautiful crust on top. We're gonna go ahead and pull it off, let it cool down so I don't burn my mouth. And we're gonna go ahead and do that taste test right after it cools down. And we're done. Again, it's also nighttime. Everybody knows nighttime is the right time. So let's go ahead and take a quick look. Nice cheesy crust. Win for me. Now, I do have some chips here, but we're just gonna go ahead and dig in real quick. Go ahead and get all that cheesy goodness. Try to get a piece of that top layer of cheese. Still nice and steamy, so I'm gonna burn my mouth. And oh yeah, total win here, people. So good. Got that taco flavor, got the meat, got the cheese, got the sour cream, got the beans. Just so good. Gonna love it, folks. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.